Hello, grade 4 students. This is teacher Eisen. I hope you are doing well. And I want to today introduce a new topic, okay? New chapter. And the name of the topic is called States of Matter, okay? States of Matter. So what is a matter? Okay, let's see. So matter means anything, okay? Anything that is on this earth. It could be a computer, it could be your watch, it could be your pencil, it could be the water, it could be the air. Anything is a matter, okay? So here it says, what is a matter? Matter is anything that takes space and has a mass, right? So which is anything you mentioned on this earth. So there are three types of matter on earth. There are solid, liquid, and gas. You see here? Solid, the picture of solid here, and liquids are here, and gases are here. Alright? So let's go. So let's see the examples. Before we explain, let's see the examples of solid. Right? What are the examples of solid here? There are stone, table, book, car, trees, what else? Anything, right? Chair, the wall, anything else, right? Let's go. Okay, look at the picture here. So, the solid example here are hat, pencil, a skateboard, bicycle, apple, trees, right? Those are solid, which are hard things, okay, are called solid. Now, examples of liquid. Right? Examples of liquid. What are the examples of liquid? There are milk, water, juice, soup, river, Coca-Cola, whatever you mention it. All right? So here we go. Liquid. What are the liquids? Example. We have here milk, drink, rain, soup, juice, drinks, and hot chocolate, and water in the pool. Okay, that's an example. Those soft matters, okay, they are called liquid, right? Then what about examples of gases? There are air, vapor, smoke, oxygen. All right, so here we go. I think I'm blocking here. So here we go. The gas, wind, the air, hot air balloon, the wind from the fan or steam, okay, the fog. All right, so those are examples of, all right, examples of gas, liquid. Okay, so let's go to the next one. Now let's study gases a little bit in detail. All right, what are the characteristics? What are gases? So gases have mass. Mass means it occupies space. Take space and you can feel it, right? You can feel it. You can touch gas, right? You can touch, the wind. You can feel it. What is the shape of what are the shapes of gases? It has no fixed shape, right? It keeps on changing. It can change and it can take the shape of a container. If you put the air in the balloon, it takes the shape of a balloon, right? So it has no fixed shape. It can keep on changing. Then let's see the volume. Volume means how much is it? Okay. So can you increase the volume of gas? Yes. You put more air in the gas and it'll become bigger, and remove the air from the balloon, for example, it becomes smaller. Now let's see the particles. Means in the gas, what do we have? The particles are loosely arranged. You see here on the side here, this is the gas, picture of gas. Like it could be a smoke, it could be a vapor, it could be an air, whatever, right? So here we have the molecule. The particles are very, very far apart, and they move very fast. There are lots of space, so they move around. Okay, so that's the example of gas, explanation of gas. Now let's go to the solid. Solid means what? Hard stuff. Okay, very hard stuff. Okay, we see the picture of solid. Solid are hard stuff, and then let's see the characteristics of solid. It has mass. See, the hard stuff, they have mass, and they take up space. Okay, and we can feel it. We can touch it, right? We can touch it. And what is the shape of it, right? And now let's see the particles inside the solid, deep inside the solid. How are the particles? You see there? they're very, very tight. They can't move. There's no space in between the particles. Okay, so that's why you cannot put your hand inside the solid, right? So that's a solid. Okay, now let's go to the next one, the liquid. Okay, here we go, the liquid. So how is the property of liquids? It has a mass. Yes, we can touch it, and it takes space. We can feel it, right? Now, how the shape? It has no fixed shape, right? The water can change the shapes. If you put in a glass, it takes the shape of a glass. If you put in a cup, it takes the shape of a cup. Anything, it can keep on changing. What about the volume? The volume also is fixed. You can't increase the volume of the water, right? Smaller or bigger, that's the same. Now, let's see the particles in a liquid. See the particles here. They are not like gas, very many spaces, nor like the solid, very tight. It's in between gas and solid, right? There are some spaces here. The particles are not tight. There are some spaces in between, and so the particles can move around. Okay, so that is a solid. Okay, so students, these are the topic for today. We have 3 types of matter. That is the liquid, solid, and gas. Okay, here, and then we'll study about next time further. Okay, so thank you for watching this, and if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to ask. Okay, thank you. Take care. Bye.